Well, here I am. This used to be my office and my gazebo. This used to be my garden. And this is where my house was. I have to record all this stuff for the insurance. That's Liesl's car over there, I think. Yeah, that's Liesl's car. I found one of the cats. One of the cats is alive. And I can't find the other 4. But one of them's alive. And I've got lots of gorgeous friends who are helping me move everything. This is where we had my 50th birthday and our 25th wedding anniversary. And there's my fridge. There's my fridge over there. Okay, thank you everybody who's helped. Thank you so much.